This short video will go over how to add the Google Search Console to a brand new WordPress website. For this, we have created an example website, getfreemovies.net. The next thing you need to do is create a Google Search Console account. Once you log in, go to Search Property, and then go down to Add Property. Here you will enter the domain name, hit Continue. Now this window will appear, allowing us to verify our ownership of the domain. The easiest way is to use the TXT record and put that into our DNS configuration to verify. Copy this code, and now let's head back over to our hosting. In this case, we're using WPX. Go to Edit DNS and select our domain. In this case, it's getfreemovies.net. And we're going to add a new record, and the type will be TXT, and the value will be the code that we just copied. And we're going to hit Save Record. And now let's head back over to Search Console and hit Verify. Now the ownership has been verified. Let's go to Property. And now we have created our Google Search Console account for our brand new website. And this is where you can track organic traffic going into your website. The next video will show you how to integrate the Google Search Console inside Google Analytics so you have access to organic traffic data right inside Google Analytics.